Hello again everyone, this is Teacher Ma'moon, and today we'll talk about writing problems. To be specific, we'll talk about sentence fragments. We'll see what they are, how to spot them, and how to fix them. But first, we need to know what is a sentence and what is a fragment. A sentence is a subject and verb followed by a complete thought. That is an object or a complement. Whereas a fragment, it's completely the opposite, an incomplete sentence. In other words, it has one missing part. Let's check the following fragments. Number 1, went home early yesterday. Who? We have no idea. That's a missing subject. First, the students in the class. What are they doing? It's a missing verb. Because he was absent. That's a reason without a result. It's a dependent clause. To win the game, what's required? It's a dependent phrase. Last but not least, such as apples and bananas, it's afterthought, we call it an extra detail. Now let's focus on how to fix these problems. To fix them, there are 3 steps. Step number 1, add the missing subject or verb. In these examples, you can say, Mom went home early yesterday. Example 2, the students in the class are writing now. Now, step number 2 to fix fragments. You can attach the fragment to a nearby complete sentence. In these examples, you can say, because he was absent, he missed the vocabulary quiz. Now we have a complete thought. To win the game, the team played well. A full sentence. Step number 3, you can just rewrite it as a full sentence. As we can see in this example, we can say, I like fruit such as apples and bananas. Let's have a quick test. Is it a fragment or a sentence? To help you do this exercise, you need to ask yourself 3 questions. Question number 1, does it have a subject? 2, does it have a verb? And 3, does it express a complete thought? If any answer is no, it's a fragment. You can pause the video and try to guess. Or let's just jump to the answers. Here we go. Number 1, when her brother arrived. That's a fragment because it's an incomplete thought. The man in the black jacket. Fragment because, finish the sentence, it has a missing verb. As for D, it's a fragment because it is incomplete thought. By now, I think you know all about fragments, how to spot them, and how to fix them. Follow me for more. See you soon in another video. Should you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer.